Hey everybody! Okay, so today we are going to work on page number 83, okay? So let's begin. This girl is jumping, the boy and the girl are jumping too, and this is a paintbrush. What you have to do right here on this page, we have to circle the pictures that are making a movement, okay? Like for example, it says, tell about each picture. Circle each picture if it shows an action, okay? So it doesn't matter if it's a person or an animal, okay? The animal, like for example, on the second row, you can see these birds are flying. So that's an action, okay? So circle the birds. And then the dog is running, okay? So circle the dog, okay? So in each picture where you see an action or a movement, you have to circle those pictures. Okay, everybody? Thank you. Bye-bye.